All right, everyone, welcome back. Someone made a comment in our section, in one of the comments on YouTube, that go mobile. I refuse to work on my back, on my ass, upside down, with crap falling in my face, in unsafe conditions, in rain, sleet, snow, and ice. Those days are done for me. So certain environments around the world, it's probably very lucrative for you to be a mobile mechanic. My guys can't even stay warm inside the building on 60-degree days with the doors down. So they complain that I open the doors a little too soon sometimes, and it's not even that cold outside. So how are you going to go and put in a day's worth of work as a mobile tech doing mobile repairs for customers? I don't get it. And I'm sure some guys are just picking and choosing what they want to do, which is probably the easy work. I don't know, but not working on a floor jack, not working on a jack stand, not working for customers in that environment whatsoever. You don't have a plethora of parts. So you're telling me, as a mobile mechanic, the customer says I need brake pads and rotors. You show up with brake pads and rotors and say that the job changes, and now it needs a caliper, now it needs a hose, now it needs whatever. You already estimated the job drive time, right, and drive home. Then you're going to spend another 20 minutes driving to a parts store, right, or 30 minutes, or even add another hour to the job, and the customer's willing to pay that. It's just something doesn't sound right. You know, oh, mobile mechanics, are cheaper. They're cheaper. Is it really cheaper? I don't think so. I can imagine the horror stories that these guys hear, and I do have one guy on TikTok that posts constantly all the nonsense and bullshit that he deals with as a mobile mechanic too, with customer supplied parts and all the nonsense. I'm sure that it seems like it's a good thing right now, but yeah, I mean, kudos to the guys that have guys out there doing that, but I'm going to tell you, I would never call a mobile mechanic. And even when I was younger, if my friends wanted work done on the car, just bring it to the shop. Know why? I have everything I need here. I'm in a safe environment. I have all the tools. I don't have to leave to do anything. I pick up the phone, they deliver me parts. If it's the wrong part or a defect part, just pick up the phone and call. So is the customer really paying you for all that additional time, or are you just choking that down as a loss? And I assure you, you're choking down a lot of losses as a mobile tech, let alone if it's cold outside. You enjoy working in the freezing cold, or the rain, or the snow. What if it rains for 2 weeks straight, or every other week? You mean you've worked 1 week a month? Yeah, I don't think it's as lucrative as everyone thinks it is. But anyway, I'm on to for a Subaru. I'm still bleeding. This is actually a comeback of mine. I forget what I fixed on this, but I forgot to hook up the cable behind the door. So let me take you through what I did here. Right, so say you're a mobile tech, and this happens, and the customer's an hour away, right? And things do happen, trust me. Products and parts fail all the time. I just had a dealer part that lasted 2 weeks in Esom on a Jeep. You're going back for your mistake right away? I doubt it. You're going back right away for a defect part that you supplied? I doubt it. Or how about the customers blaming you for not doing the job right for parts they supplied? So I'd rather deal with that all right here in a covered environment where the heat's on in the winter, it's not raining on me, and I have lifts and every tool that I need, and parts at a snap of a finger in most cases. So let's keep moving here. I'm going to pop this apart. I actually forget everything I need, but I think I just need a Phillips screwdriver. Day the bays are full with non-serious people to fix for cars. It gets annoying. Let's fucking finish up this day, because I've had enough of this week. That's a fact, Jack.
I'm surprised that you're surprised.
Nothing more frustrating than customers coming in with problems, ask you to help them fix it, and then hour, 2 hours go by, and yeah, we're gonna think about it, or we gotta ask God, or call their cousin, or call a friend, or some bullshit. As simple as that was, right? Could you imagine if you were a mobile tech and you had to drive an hour or a half hour to do this job, and say the cable popped off or you forgot and they call you back? Yeah. I'd like to know what mobile mechanic is going to be in a hurry to go give an hour of their time away for free. I'd be shocked. Be shocked by that. Hence, I've done some Google on the high customer complaints to the Better Business Bureau about mobile mechanics. You can do your own research. It's pretty simple. Go on your phone, go on your computer, tablet, and put it in there. You'll see. Can't do the job, incomplete jobs, didn't fix it right, customers complaining about a lot of stuff. There's nothing like being able to just pick up the phone, call the shop that you went to, or go there and see that person in person, or see that shop in person. All right. This business isn't easy, and I'd shocked if I make another 10 years, to be honest. To be honest with you guys. That would make me, I'll be 53 in March. 10 years would be 63. Yeah, I don't think in this location or environment I'm going to make it 10 years. I don't believe so. All right, happy days are coming. Let's finish up this AC diag. Thanks for watching.